Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Skills Set Go. In this video we will see how to create a simple Android project using Android Studio. So first we need to install an Android Studio. Just install and open the Android Studio to create a simple Android project. I have installed Android Studio. I am just opening it. So you will get a different options like start a new Android Studio project or open an existing one or open the project from a Git version control system and other options. So in this video we will create a new Android project with Hello World. So here you will get an option. So for what device you are coding the app, phone or tablet, Wear OS, TV, automotive, Android things, we have so many options. So for now phone and tablet, and these are the sample screens with what we can create a simple Android project. So basic activity which will have back button and so on, and button navigation activity and empty activity. So for now we will just select empty activity and click on next. So here we have an option to change the name of the project. My application, just I am changing to Android, and this is the package name, and this is the location where we will save the Android project, and this is the coding language for the Android app. Either you need to code in Kotlin language or Java language, you can select. For now I'll just selecting Kotlin language, and these are the SDK version. Just leave it and just click on finish. So here our project is getting loaded, scanning files to index the project. Here we will get the tips, just close it. So now we have created a simple Android project, and these two are main files in this project where we will see an UI after opening an Android app. This is the main activity. So Android app is comprised of so many activities, and each activity is linked to a layout file where we will see an UI design. So this activity is linked to this layout file, activity main. So that is this one, activity main. So this is the XML file where we can define all the UI views or UI elements. So by default we will be having a text view with Hello World text. So here you can see this is the screen with Hello World text. So when you install this app in our mobile or any device, we will see this screen because the main activity is linked to this XML. So this is the design view. We can change to split. We can see the XML view and the design view, or we can just see the code view. So this is the text view. This is the element where we are seeing here. So we can have a different UI elements in this screen. We will be seeing whenever we install this app. So let's try to install this app in an emulator. So here we'll get available devices where we can install this app. So this is the Vivo. I have connected my mobile through USB cable. So for now we will just take an emulator, Pixel 2 API-R. So first time you can just follow the instructions here and you can install the emulator. You can open AVD manager. Here I have installed a virtual device emulator. You also can install by clicking create virtual device, or just installing our app in that emulator instead of installing it in the direct mobile. So after installing, after downloading, just select that emulator and just click on run app. So here you will be seeing Gradle build is running, and after build is success, it will be installed automatically in the emulator, and emulator will be opened like a mobile screen. So here you will be seeing the progress of the project. Gradle build is running and the build is success and it is installing now. and it got installed. So here you can see we have a emulator, and the project starts with this main activity. And why? Because the main activity we have told to start. If you open Android manifest XML, here you will be seeing the activity Android name, the main activity, intent filter, and this is marked as main, and it is a launcher of the app. So as soon as we install an app, this main activity will be open, and this main activity is linked to this view. This view is nothing but this screen with hello world. So that's why we are seeing a screen with hello world. So this video is about just creating Android project with hello world. In future videos we will learn more about Android project and their concepts. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Skillset Go. Thank you for watching.